Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You are now eligible to monetize your YouTube channel. This means you either have 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers with at least 3,000 watch hours. In today's video tutorial, we're going to walk step by step the exact process you need to now apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Let's dive in. The first step is you need to go into YouTube Studio and scroll down until you find the Earn menu. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to look for the Apply Now button. Okay, once you click the Apply Now button, it's going to bring you to this screen right here. So it's going to break it down into 3 different steps. So step 1 is to review base terms. Step 2 is to sign up for AdSense through YouTube. Step 3 is to get reviewed. Step 1 is review base terms. So let's click on the Start button right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to break down all of the terms that you're going to want to know and understand about what you're actually getting into, all the terms of service, all the processes, how things work, how monetization works, all that kind of stuff. So just make sure you're going to scroll down and you're going to want to read all of these terms. And then once you get to the very bottom, you're going to click on I accept the base terms and then click on accept terms. Step 2 is to sign up for AdSense within YouTube. So go down to step 2 right here. We're going to click on the Start button right here, and it's going to say you're going to be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. And then it's going to say in this little drop down menu, it's going to ask you, do you have an existing AdSense account or an AdSense for YouTube account? So you can either select yes, I do have an existing AdSense account, no, I don't have an existing AdSense account, or number 3, I don't know. So I'm going to select no, I don't have an existing account. And then I'm going to click continue. Next, it's going to bring you to a Google menu here where all you have to do is select the email address, the email account that you have that corresponds with your YouTube account. So once you find that one, just click that one. Then it's going to bring you to this AdSense for YouTube account. So it's basically saying, let's get you started. It's going to pull in your YouTube channel right here. It pulls in the URL, and then it's basically going to give you the terms of service for AdSense. So you go down through here, you can read all this stuff. And once you're done reading it, then all you have to do, click on I have read and accept the agreement. And then click on the setup account. And next up, Google is going to ask for your phone number because they need to verify it that it's linked to your account. So all you got to do is type in your phone number and whether or not you want to receive a text message or a voice call. And then once you decide that, you're going to hit send and it's going to send you the verification code. Once you type in that verification code, it's going to reroute you back over here to YouTube Studio, and you can see step 2 now says in progress. So what YouTube is going to do is it's going to manually go through and approve your AdSense account for YouTube. So it looks like it says it can take several days, but in some cases it'll take 2 to 3 weeks. So hopefully it doesn't take that long. Just wait for them to reach out to you, and usually through an email, and then on to step 3. It is the next day now. However, I did check around 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. And it looks like step 2 is done. So I was approved for the AdSense account for YouTube. So from the time of the last step until right now, it was about 8 or 9 hours in between waiting. And I just want to mention I did not get any email from YouTube. So I just had to check my YouTube Studio to see if it was approved or not. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to step 3. It says get reviewed in progress. So you don't actually have to do anything with step 3. Once step 2 is complete, it's going to automatically progress you into step 3. Once your channel is approved, the next time you log into the YouTube Studio, you're going to be greeted with this beautiful, beautiful banner. Congratulations, you are now a YouTube partner. Now just remember, once you hit the 3,000 hours, it's not the full-blown monetization where you can make money off of YouTube ads. So for 3,000 hours, you can take advantage of all of the supers, the super chat, the super thanks, the super stickers, the memberships for your viewers to join if they'd like to, and finally, the YouTube storefront. Once you click the Let's Go button, it's going to bring you to a whole new section and unlock a feature that you haven't had before. So we have memberships now and we have supers. So you can see here, you can click on memberships and you can start setting up your membership. So The first selection is going to be setting up your membership offer. So it says you can create a single membership level or multiple membership levels in different prices. Have fun coming up with unique perks and reward members at each level. That's cool. And then customize default perks. So members only badges, emojis can easily make your biggest fans stand out, which is pretty cool. So you have that, and then you can also announce your memberships, and you can also post a welcome to new members. So if you wanted to come up with a nice welcome message for the people that just joined your membership, you can do that here in the bottom row right here. So if we come back over here to overview, we're going to go down to supers. So this is where the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers are. So all you have to do right here is click on get started and click get started again. And so basically it's going to want you to go through and it's going to tell you about the page features. And so once you read all this stuff here, it's got your policies, your terms, all that good stuff. Just click on the checkbox for I have read and accept, and then click. That's all you have to do in order to enable super chat, super thanks, and super stickers. Pretty awesome, right? Everything here, once you accept that policy, then everything here is going to start appearing automatically. They're going to start appearing with your live chats, your live streams, and even on your long form videos as super thanks. You don't have to do anything else. They just magically appear. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if it was easy to follow and it was simple and you really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it, and we'd love to have you along here on this journey with us. Also, please drop a like. That would really help us out too. Thank you. If you want to learn how I made almost $2,000 in one day with Pinterest affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video coming up next.